Hun's Lasers 5-axis metal surface drawing equipment. It can be equipped with various types of lasers such as nanosecond and picosecond lasers, as well as a high-precision 5-axis linkage system. It can realize continuous processing of curved surfaces and solve the problem of stitching marks in traditional processing methods. The equipment can process large curvature surfaces on both sides of the interior and exterior, with high efficiency and ease of operation. Laser drawing can replace traditional mechanical drawing processes to achieve random texture effects on metal surfaces. The algorithm for generating the texture pattern is randomly generated, and the region can be edited freely. High flexibility, capable of processing on specific locations such as curved surfaces and grooves. The equipment has no consumables, low cost of use, and environmental protection. Sample display.